Preview. Preview.
Hello, guys. Welcome to another episode of Time Out with Learn. And on today's episode, we bring to you one of Nigeria's and I can say Africa's finest legal practitioners. His name is Adedumade Onibokun, and today he will be sharing with us some things that you should understand about intellectual property. Let's enjoy it together.
Hello, good afternoon. My name is Adedumade Konibokun. I am a legal practitioner and I also publish a Legal Niger blog via www.legalniger.com. I urge you to check out the law blog as it seeks to educate you on your legal rights and obligations as a Nigerian under the law. Also, be sure to follow us on all our social media handles via Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook via Legal Niger. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about intellectual property and for starters, what is intellectual property? Intellectual property, in order to define it, allow me to use a simple scenario. Have you heard of the term property before in regards to landed property? You know what this means is that you are the legal owner of such property. Now, for intellectual property, this is a similar concept. Intellectual property means property that is owned by you by virtue of you creating it. For instance, when you write a song, or when you write a movie, or when you create something that has not been created before, that is your intellectual property. Allow me to tell you today that there are three kinds of intellectual property. There is the trademark, there's the patent, and there's the copyright. Now, what are the differences between these three forms of intellectual property? The first one, the trademark. A trademark can be used to register the name or logo of a business or brand. For instance, the name like MTN is registered as a trademark, so no other company can come and use the name MTN on their own brands. Another thing that can be registered is the logo. For instance, the logo on the Alexander Amusu suit or on the Alexander Amusu brand. Now that is his logo and it is registered as a trademark for himself. Nobody else can use that logo on their brands. That is a trademark. The trademark, once again, is your brand name or your logo, which can be registrable under the law. Secondly, I'm going to tell you about what I call patents. Now, what is a patent? A patent is a form of registration that covers an invention. For instance, if I were to create something that has never been created before, like a type of medicine, or like a car that can fly, or a suit that when I wear it can take me from Lagos to Abuja, that a patent will cover. So a patent is what you use to register, or a patent is is a certification given to you when you register an invention in which you have created by yourself. Note that if you are trying to patent something that has been created before, your application will most definitely be denied because patents are used to cover inventions that are novel, that are new, and are used to make society better. So, what is the last form of intellectual property? That is copyright. And what are copyrights? Copyright is the licensing that is given to a creation such as a book, a song, a movie, or even a poem. Now, copyright stands for written literature or for music which you listen to or for creations such as artworks and videos that we watch. So that is a copyright and only such items can be covered by copyright. So once again, allow me to repeat. For your intellectual property, there are trademarks, there are patents, and there are copyrights. And I hope I've been able to explain to you the difference between all three.
Thank you so much for sharing such an enlightening information. I am sure that one of you, our audience, has gotten something very important from this on your trademark, the differences between your trademark, copyright, and patent. Thank you again for watching us, and the conversation continues on social media at Time at Lens on Instagram and Facebook, and also subscribe to this channel so together we can learn more. Thank you very much. I remain Femi Fakayejo. Have a blessed week.